Yes, hello family. Today I'm taking you going through the YouTube channel analytics for me. So let's go to my YouTube studio. Okay, here we are on one of my channels, Chronicles of HP. Yeah, the main channel. You will see me face to face with you. Yes, that's it. I'm currently with 15,365 subscribers. And this channel I haven't posted for the whole month of January and February, because I haven't posted on January. It has affected my February uploads, and it really didn't work well on February. And I also was very upset with the Vodafone network, because truly the Vodafone network really sucks this year, January, since January till February, and it's still there. The problem with the Vodafone network, and I also had Vodafone customers, especially PNG YouTubers, to just quit Vodafone and let's go for DSL for now. This is not a promotional video for DSL, but because we upload gigabytes of content online, and that will really affect our channel like mine. So because of that, I haven't been posting and going live or whatever for some time now, but now I've decided to purchase my combo and data bundle with Digicel, so it's getting well and up and running now. So I want to take you through my channel analytics for the channel Chronicles of HP. Here it is. Yeah, you are viewing it straight vertically. I don't like doing vertical videos for YouTube, but since I want you to get a clear glimpse of everything, and I'm doing it here right now. So yeah, these are my recent uploads, and we have here on the screen, we have the channel analytics for the last 28 days. We have 118,100 views, and the watch time, we have 5,200 watch hours, and we have 817 subscribers, and $75.42. That's for the last 28 days. You can see that last 28 days up there. Yeah, so I'll speak in pidgin. Many people always want to be my English teacher when I speak something in English incorrectly. So congrats to all the unemployed English teacher on the internet like you, Plana. You may dive in, go inside channel analytics, YouTube channel, me Chronicles of HP. Here we are. We go in. I'll take you to the revenue side of it, but here you see that estimated revenue. That's not the real revenue. That's for the last 28 days. For the real revenue, we'll go to the revenue tab later, but we'll go bit by bit. Okay, that's the main dashboard. And then we have the content. When you get into the content, you will see everything there. Yes, these are the videos that I've uploaded recently, and they didn't take off, honestly. Many of my videos don't perform like that, but due to the fact that I haven't been posting for the whole month of January, has affected my February, and February, because due to the Vodafone network not working properly, honestly, I'm affecting channel Lumilo. February too, so I hope March na gonta pem ba mi kalapin bampa lilig na make some the runaway trailer, because I know it's always like this. When channel no perform well, start time stop go na mi kickstart again, and I'm take off, I'm run away. So like you blah, much love. That's the content side of it. We have videos, we have live, and the playlist. Okay, let's get to the analytics. Analytics, and that's the analytics. You will see everything by looking over something, how performance blow one particular video view like this one, and then you scroll down and we go to the real-time analytics. Yeah, how much views I've been taking, collecting, and that's it here, the real-time. You go inside by looking, man. That's for the last 48 hours, last 2 days here. How much views me I'm not a sun up steady, it's live update, continuing, So now I'm start 10,571. You be refreshing now by looking what I meant. Okay, now I'm going to happen. And it's a live update. Now I'm 10,573. Every minute and seconds views coming in and go out, and this one keeps the tally about it. I'm sorry, displaying real live updates of that view count. Okay, let's go to the last 60 minutes. Last 60 minutes from now, how much views we make maximum? That's 153. That's really lousy, honestly. I don't perform like this. The channel doesn't perform like this, but due to the fact that the tendency has dropped a lot, I'm causing this lag because time, post number time start affecting you also. So that's it. So now you may looking finish analytics overview of the real-time analytics views. Okay, now we are going to the content. Our performance flow content analytics man. Okay, we go to the audience tab here. You by looking audience blue come the where which side by sorry about it. Okay, on this one, that's the audience, everything about the audience, their age, their geography, where the audience are coming from. Like this one for myself, like the most of my audience, 87% of my audience are typical Papua New Guineans, and others we have 3% from Australia, 0.5% from Solomon Islands, and 0.4% from the United States, and then we have the rest going down there. You have eyes to see. I will not, teach you again with your alphabet. Okay, we're going back here. You go to the revenue side of it. Yes, that's the revenue side of the channel. You see, that's the revenue side of the channel. You see, for the estimated revenue for the last 20 days, it's $75.42. That's really lousy. I'm drop straight. I'm go down Ogataya, but actually me try lapping map me go to stop. So I'm go for the how much you're earning for the estimated last 6 months. This one is for each month for the last 6 months. That's the payout for each month. But for January, I already said it out already. I haven't been posting in January. It has left me with $43. And for February, due to the fact that the network is with Vodafone has been playing up, and I only made $66.96. This will climb up, don't worry. Okay, that's it. That's the revenue tab, and if you go in, you will see the performance for each videos like this. You see, so like for the last 28 days, I've made I've raked in 116,200 views, and they paid me 65 cents for every 1k views. 1,000 views, they paid me 65 cents. That has added up and accumulated up to this $75.09 up there. So this is how you go in and you see your content and how they are performing. So just have a look at this and get a glimpse. And if you want to become a YouTuber, you thinking look YouTube channel doing start flow start, this is an inspiration for you to see and follow. And they say nothing just happen overnight. You have to take your time and do it precisely so that you will achieve what you want to gain. So that's my channel, the Chronicles of HP. No one will take you around their channel like this. Not PNG Trends Banner or whatever other channels coming up. They will not take you like this into their channel analytics. So please, to show some appreciation, give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I am also starting up a new channel purposely for PNG YouTubers, so, 12 PNG YouTubers. So this one is for news and other freestyle contents. Thank you very much for watching and following me through my YouTube analytics. This is the revenue tab, and you can also click on these graphs and go in and play around with it. But yeah, that's the revenue side of YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. We are back on the main page and I'm leaving you here. Much love and stay blessed, kids.